Welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about the essential steps to take after replacing a camshaft sensor. Replacing the camshaft sensor is an important repair, but it's just as crucial to follow up with the right actions to ensure your vehicle performs optimally. In this video, we'll cover the steps you should take after replacing the sensor, including resetting the ECU, checking for leaks, and performing a test drive. Before we get into the post-replacement steps, let's quickly recap why the camshaft sensor is important. The camshaft sensor monitors the position and speed of the camshaft, providing vital information to the engine control unit, ECU. This data is essential for precise fuel injection and ignition timing, ensuring your engine runs efficiently. A faulty camshaft sensor can cause various issues, including poor engine performance, stalling, and even a no-start condition. Now, let's go through the steps, one after the other. Step 1 after replacing the camshaft sensor is to reset the ECU. The ECU may have stored error codes related to the faulty sensor, which need to be cleared. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal of the battery. This will cut power to the ECU and allow it to reset. Leave the battery disconnected for about 10 to 15 minutes to ensure the ECU fully resets. Reconnect the negative terminal of the battery. This should clear any stored error codes related to the old sensor. Step 2 is to check for any leaks or loose connections. After replacing the camshaft sensor, it's important to ensure everything is properly reassembled and there are no leaks or loose wires. Check around the camshaft sensor for any signs of oil leaks. A leaking sensor could indicate a bad seal or improper installation. Make sure all electrical connectors are securely attached. Loose or corroded connectors can cause the sensor to malfunction. Ensure all bolts and screws are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Loose bolts can lead to vibrations and improper sensor readings. Step 3. Perform a test drive. This will help you confirm that the new camshaft sensor is working correctly and that there are no issues with the engine's performance. Start your vehicle and let it idle for a few minutes. Listen for any unusual noises and watch for warning lights on the dashboard. Take your car for a drive and vary your speed. Drive on city streets and highways to see how the engine responds at different speeds and loads. Pay attention to how the engine performs. Look for any signs of hesitation, misfires, or stalling. Ensure the engine runs smoothly throughout the test drive. Keep an eye on the dashboard for any warning lights. If the check engine light comes on, use a diagnostic tool to read the error codes and address any issues. Step 4. Perform a final inspection. This will help you catch any issues that might have been missed earlier. Here's what to check. After the test drive, inspect the camshaft sensor area again for any oil leaks. Verify that all electrical connections are still secure. Vibration during the test drive can sometimes loosen connections. With the engine running, listen for any unusual noises that could indicate a problem with the sensor or installation. By following these steps, you can ensure that your camshaft sensor replacement is successful and that your engine runs smoothly. Regular maintenance and careful attention to detail can prevent future issues and keep your vehicle performing at its best. If you're not comfortable performing these steps yourself, consider taking your vehicle to a professional mechanic.